Well, about Lokyum, Lokyum ఒక మంచి కామెడీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎంటర్టైనర్ అండ్ ఇది in this movie నా క్యారెక్టర్ పేరు చంద్రకళ. చంద్రకళ is a Don's sister and the character is all about being very arrogant. My hobby is to rag people in college. చాలా pranks చేశారు ఈ మూవీలో, even while shooting, even outside shooting. So ade na character, it's a very different character. I have not played that body language before, and there was a little that I had to add because it is not me at all. And I think the highlight of the film is that it's got every element. It's got a little bit of everything. There is action undi, romance undi, chala, you know, I love the songs undi, and comedy undi. So it's a film that you can go on the weekend, enjoy with your family, and it's a film that you can go enjoy with your family and come back. You wouldn't have any qualms about it. About the team, firstly I'd like to thank Srivasu sir for giving me this film and giving me the character of Chandrakala, and thank you sir for believing in me. He has a lot of clarity. One thing that I have to say is that he knows what he wants from Chandrakala. He knew his characters very well. Talking about Gopichand Garu, he has been a wonderful co-star. He would keep pulling my leg as to because you know I'm on my phone and I read a lot of news on the phone, so it's like you're always on the phone. But lovely co-star to be working with. There was a lot to learn from him and very grounded. That's about it. I think the entire shooting experience was great. About the producer, he's treated us like family. I never felt that you know I was at workplace. So idi oka family laga ayindi, the entire set, and I hope the result is nice. Music gurinchi, Anoop has given the music. I've always been a fan of Anoop's music. I've said that before as well. And na favorite song ee movie lo Sudu Sudu. I love it. Besides that, I also like Pink Lips, which is a western number. So chala ba chesaru. There are different variations in the songs. Oka romantic number, oka slow number, oka item song. So anni unnai. So please listen to the music. Brahmanandam garu to nenu first time work chesaru, and I've always seen the films and I've always visualized him as a certain person because he portrays such a comic character on screen. You know, you think that he's going to be a very light-hearted person, but he's a contrast. He's very serious just before the scene, and it's fantastic to see how within a second he gets into the comedy mode. So there's so much to learn from him. His comic timing is amazing. His spontaneity is, I think, to a different level altogether. Scene is different. Suddenly Brahmanandam Garu comes in and the scene just goes to another level. So he's got a very, very fine knowledge about that, and it was a lot of fun shooting with him. He has a very long track in the film and a very valuable, meaningful track. So I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Lokyum 26కి రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో నేను అందరికీ తెలుగులో రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, ప్లీజ్ సినిమా హాల్స్లో రండి అండ్ మూవీ చూడండి, అండ్ ప్లీజ్ లైక్ ద ఫిల్మ్. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ వోంట్ బి డిసప్పాయింటెడ్.